unsigned and original music on Roundtown Radio, showcasing the best of the best acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Roundtown original and unsigned music every Sunday 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Some pretty heavy shit, and we have in at number 18. It's down 5 this week. It's some more pretty heavy shit. It's John Meadows with Mojo Rising. This is a lovely tune. I love the melody to this. It just fucking rocks along lovely. It's beautiful. Have a go with this, guys. This week's number 18. Get a sausage roll with it, a sausage roll with it, a sausage roll, sausage roll, sausage roll with it. It's a sausage roll. It's a sausage roll. It's a sausage roll. It's a sausage roll. I thought maybe I wanted the cheese and onion pasty. Don't know why I got a sausage roll.
Oasis, proud sponsors of Greg's the Bakers. For a limited time order Morning Glory and get a free cheese and onion pasty. And yes, you get a fucking roll with it.
I had one of my tunes on Billy Kelly show the other day, Moving Too Fast. It's a bit of an older one of mine that I haven't done a lot for a while, to be honest with you, but a lot of people said how much they enjoyed it and that, so thank you very much, guys. It's nice to be on the receiving end for a change. Right at number 17 this week, guys, it is down just the two. It is Raised by Wolves with Drag Me Down. This is a belter little tune, this. I hope it sticks around for a little bit longer. Get sharing, guys, and get listening.
Feeling down? Worried you might not be able to pay your bills? Feeling stressed and scared about the future? I myself have been there. I was living on the streets for years begging people for money. That's when I come across crack and skull super. Now every day I'm drunk and high. Being honest, it's fucking wonderful.
Raised by Wolves, Drag Me Down. Lovely little tune. I hope that stays it down for a little bit longer. But the way the top 20 is going at the minute, it's fucking in and out. It's in and out. It's in and out. Right, number 16 this week, guys. It is down, unfortunately, 11. This band have also took a bit of a drop. It's the Late Poets with Living the Dream. This is a lovely tune. This, love the guitar on this. It's different and it's risky. Have a little go with this, guys. The Late Poets, Living the Dream.